Potential due to general point. Potential due to general point 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta by R square. So observe carefully. From this formula, we'll get all concepts. Observe carefully. Case 1. What we discussed in case 1? What we discussed in case 1? Point lies on. The point lies on axial line. Point lies on axial line. Here theta is, observed carefully, ma. Theta is angle between dipole moment P bar and position vector R bar. Position vector R bar. Here theta is angle between P bar and R bar. P bar means dipole moment vector. Dipole moment vector. Dipole moment vector. R bar is position vector. R bar is a position vector. So generally this R bar is indicated with, in case of OP point in the diagram. Observe carefully. If the point lies on axial line means this is I consider. In this also two cases are there. First case A I consider. This is minus Q charge. Here it is plus Q charge. Point lies on axial line means here is the point. It lies on axial line. This is a center of dipole. Distance from center of dipole to this point. Center of dipole to this point is R. So R bar direction. This is a R bar direction. And dipole moment direction minus Q and plus Q. Dipole moment direction is direction of dipole moment is always from negative to positive charge. Keep it in mind. Direction of dipole moment, you can write also. Direction of dipole moment is always from minus Q to plus Q charge. This is the direction of dipole moment. This is the direction of R bar. So OP is nothing but R bar here. So then dipole moment direction and here this is R bar. Dipole moment direction and R bar direction both are same direction. That's why theta is equal to 0 degrees. For axial line, theta is equal to 0 degrees is possible. 0 degrees equal to, here theta is equal to 0 degrees. Then substitute here theta is equal to 0. Then we get potential on axial line. Axial line is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. In this general formula you can substitute. What is theta value? What is theta value? 0. That means P into cos 0 degrees by R square. Then we'll get 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P by R square. This is V axial. V axial. So please check it. So this is V axial formula or not? Now, here one more case is there. For example, here I place some charge. Here I place some charge. This is I consider as a plus Q charge. This is I consider as a minus Q charge. Dipole moment direction is always from negative charge to positive charge. And point lies on axial line. Point lies on here somewhere. Axial line. Okay. Point lies on axial line. So now this is a midpoint of dipole. So dipole to point distance is this is direction of R bar. This distance is equal to this distance from point to dipole is R, and the direction, how to indicate here? Direction is indicated like this, R bar. Now observe carefully. Dipole moment direction is always from negative charge to positive charge. Dipole moment direction in this direction. And R direction is a position vector direction, O to P in this direction. Both are here opposite direction. That means theta is equal to what here? Theta is equal to 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. In this case, theta is equal to 180 degrees. Now substitute theta is equal to 180 degrees means what we will get? V axial is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught cos 180 value minus, that means minus 1 minus P by R square. So this is V axial formula. So we had two cases for the V axial. Are you understood or not? If dipole moment direction, R bar direction, both are same direction. P bar and R bar both are same direction. That time V axial formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by R square. If second case, dipole moment direction and R bar are opposite direction. So opposite direction will get minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by R square. So this is a second case, first case, and this is second case. So please observe carefully. This is general formula. If you know this formula, axial line, two cases, we are easy to solve it. So already in the first, in previous cases, we are discussed the derivation of this axial line. No need to find derivation of axial line. If you know this general point formula, if you remember this general point formula, then we'll get all cases formulas. So this is very, very important formula. On axial line, two cases are possible. Dipole moment direction, R bar direction, both are same direction. Then theta is equal to 0. Then we'll substitute, we'll got E axial formula. If dipole moment direction, R bar direction, both are opposite direction, then theta is equal to 180 degrees. That time V axial formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into minus P by R square. This is V axial case. Next, so observe carefully, V equatorial case. You know already. What is V equatorial? You know, case 3 here. If point lies on equatorial line of dipole, okay. So here, if point lies on equatorial line of dipole, that time, so this is a dipole, am I right? This is a dipole, some minus q charge here, plus q charge, equatorial line of dipole. Here is the point lies on equatorial line. So this is a O. Direction of position vector is always from O to P in this direction. This is position vector direction. Dipole moment direction is here, R bar direction is O to P. Direction is O to P. And P bar direction is negative charge to positive charge. Negative charge to positive charge. That means minus Q to plus Q. This is the direction of P bar. Then observe carefully. This is P bar direction. This is R bar direction. R bar is acting like this direction. P bar is acting in this direction. Then what is angle between them? Theta is equal to 90 degrees. So if point lies on equatorial line of dipole, theta is angle between position vector and dipole moment. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. Then substitute, what we will get? V equatorial from general potential formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta by R square. That means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P into cos 90 by R square. Cos 90 value 0. Then totally we got V equatorial is equal to 0. Please recapitulate the concepts. V axial formula, what we got in the first derivation, we are finding in previous lectures. What we got? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P by R square or not? And V equatorial, what we got in previous lectures? 0 or not? That means those two formulas we are finding by using this formula. This is a general formula. If theta value is 0 degrees or 180 degrees for axial line, theta value is 90 degrees for equatorial line, then we get exact formula. So I hope all of you understood this lecture. If you will get any doubt regarding this lecture, feel free to mention. That means whatever you have doubt, that is mentioned in comment box. So I will give So proper answers for whatever your doubts. Thank you so much.